My greatest failure turned lesson for success as an educator. When I transferred to ALS as a teacher, I honestly didn't know what to expect. I came from the formal system where structure, attendance, and academic performance were strictly followed. So on my first day in ALS, I carried that same mindset. I expected learners to come on time, attend every session, and follow the same discipline as in a regular classroom. But I was wrong, and that was my first big mistake. I quickly became frustrated when some learners were frequently absent or late. I thought they were just being lazy or uninterested. I even told one learners that if they could not commit to the schedule, maybe ALS was not for them. Later, I learned that many of them were working students, single parents, or breadwinners. They were not skipping class because they did not care, but they were out trying to meet their daily needs. That realization hit me hard. I felt embarrassed and disappointed in myself. From the negative experience, I learned a powerful lesson. ALS is not just about teaching academic. It is about understanding reality. It's about meeting learners where they are, not where we expect them to be. I began adjusting my approach and offering flexible learning options, using experience-based strategies, and most importantly, show empathy. Today, some of the same learners who struggle with attendance have passed the E&E exam, graduate with honors, and even landed a stable job. And I am proud to say that I became part of their journey, not by demanding perfection, but by offering understanding. That mistake shaped me into ALS teachers I am today. Open-minded, compassionate, and deeply committed to help every learner succeed no matter their path.